Hello young learners, do you know how to find out the square root of imperfect squares? Let's explore together. Imperfections are the footprints of authenticity, and these are the beauty within you. With this thought, we are going to start today's session. So, before starting about imperfect squares, let's see some numbers like square root of 9. Square root of 9 is equal to 3. Square root of 16. Square root of 16 is equal to 4. Square root of 144, which is equal to 12. Square root of 169, which is equal to 13. Square root of 625, which is equal to 25. So you can see all these are the whole numbers, not in decimals. So these are the numbers which are not in the form of decimals when we will find out the square root of these. So 9, 16, 25, 625, 144 and 169 and so on. All these are the perfect squares. Now let's see what is imperfect square. You can see 3 questions on the screen and we will solve the questions together. You will find out these type of questions in different banking clerk examinations and in different railway and SSC also. So if you know the trick, you will be able to find out the approximate value of the square root of imperfect squares in seconds. Do you know that is very close to the exact answer also. We will prove that together. So if you are sitting with the calculator, just find out the square root of these numbers and then you will tally my answers. And next time you will use this formula for sure. So let's start. First question is square root of 23. To find out the square root of 23, we will write the number itself, that is 23. Now a number smaller than 23, which is a perfect square, is 16. And the number greater than that is 25. Square root of 16, as I said, is 4. Square root of 25 is 5. But as you can see, 25 is closer to 23. So we will ignore 16 and we will focus on this 25 only. So we will write plus 25 divided by double of square root of 25, which is equal to 48 by 2 into square root of 25 means 5 is equal to 10. So the answer is 4.8. By now you must have taken out the exact value and that is 4.795. This is the exact answer and you can see the approximate value which is so much closer to the exact answer. So we got the approximate answer which is just closer to the exact answer. So let's solve the next question. Square root of 50. As the formula said, we have to write 50 plus. Now a number smaller than 50 which is a perfect square is 49. Square root of 49 is equal to 7. So we will take 49 divided by 2 multiplied by square root of 49, which is equal to 99 by 14. And the answer is 7.071. This is the approximate answer and the accurate answer or the exact answer is also 7.071. Isn't it so great? So next time use this formula in any exam. So the next question we will solve together so that this concept will be by heart or this concept you can practice more and more. 2 into square root of 64 which is equal to 132 by 16 is equal to 8.25 and the exact value or the exact answer is 8.246. So we got the answer of the first 3 questions. Let's proceed towards the last few questions. Before proceeding, let me tell you, if you have not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the regular updates. Now you can see 4 more questions. Square root of 78 is equal to 78 plus, we will take 81 which is closer to 78, by 2 into square root of 81 which is equal to 159 by 18, and the answer is 8.833. Do you have any idea about the exact answer? The exact answer is 8.8317. Now let's solve the next question. Square root of 96. We will take 96 plus the number which is closer to 96 and a perfect square, and that is 100. So we will take 100. As you all know that if we will take 9 square, that is 81, which is far away from 96, but if we will take 100, it is closer to 96. So we have to take the closer value. It doesn't matter whether the number is greater or smaller than the given question, than the given number, but the condition is it should be closer to the number. So we have not taken 81, but we have chosen 100. Now the denominator will be 2 multiplied by square root of 100, which is equal to 196 by 20, which is equal to 9.8. Do you know the exact value or the exact answer? And that is 9.7979. Let's solve the next question together. Next question is square root of 112. Write 112, the number itself, plus we will take 121 divided by 2 into square root of 121. Now you must have got the answer, and that is 233 by 22, which is equal to 10.59. Do you have any idea about the exact answer? If you will use the calculator to find out the exact answer, that will be 10.583. Now let's solve the last question together. Last question for today's session is 2509 का square root. 2509 plus, we will take the number 2500 by 2 multiplied by square root of 2500, which is equal to 5009 by 100. And you know the answer without calculation, without using pen and paper. You can say the answer is 50.09. I hope you all have liked today's session. If you want more videos to watch, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.